It's AumSum time!
What if water was replaced by soft drinks?
I don't like soft drinks. I like burgers.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if water was replaced by soft drinks, we might start seeing people open-mouthed during rains. Secondly, if water was replaced by soft drinks, some people may never come out of a swimming pool. Lastly, if water was replaced by soft drinks, fishes might be very, very happy about this situation. What if we couldn't stop jumping?
No big deal. Even AumSum never stops jumping.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we couldn't stop jumping, people may start losing weight very, very fast. Secondly, if we couldn't stop jumping, entire office floor may start shaking. Thirdly, if we couldn't stop jumping, tall people may keep on hitting the roof. Lastly, if we couldn't stop jumping, catching thieves will not be an easy task now.
What if our homes were made of jelly? Yippee! AumSum loves jelly. Oh, AumSum. Firstly, jelly is very sticky. If our homes were made of jelly, we may remain stuck to our home. Secondly, jelly wobbles a lot. If our homes were made of jelly, even our homes may start wobbling. Thirdly, if our homes were made of jelly, many people may not remain that fit anymore. Lastly, if our homes were made of jelly, even aliens may shift inside our homes. What if we could run very, very fast? No need. AumSum already runs very, very fast. Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we could run very, very fast, we may get our burger as soon as we order it. Secondly, if we could run very, very fast, traffic cops may get completely confused. Thirdly, if we could run very, very fast, cab drivers may take up a new profession. Lastly, if we could run very, very fast, a cheetah may get tired and hop onto our back. What if it rained flowers?
Cool. Now AumSum is gonna catch all of them.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, corpse flowers smell very bad. If it rained corpse flowers, people may start wearing masks. Secondly, Rafflesia flower is the biggest flower in the world. If it rained Rafflesia flowers, even our homes may get entirely covered. Thirdly, if it rained thorny flowers, some people may shift underground. Lastly, bees love flowers. If it rained flowers, a swarm of bees may start heading towards the flowers.